So I don't know shit about editing. I don't edit at all. I've been cheating all this time, and I've been using the GoPro Quick app to make my videos. The GoPro Quick app says, hey, you know, use this to make your videos and share them on social media. And hey, I thought everything was all good. I've been using their music in my videos, and apparently their music is copyrighted, because I looked at my YouTube channel today and I realized that every single one of my videos that I made with the GoPro Quick app using the GoPro Quick music is copyright claimed. So I guess I have to learn how to start editing videos, and I'm gonna have to start doing it the manual way. I got a couple of ideas on some cheats and tricks that I can use along the way while I'm learning. That's a Steve up there doing a wheelie, and my boy Sasha riding a skateboard up in front of him. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to up my game here and start learning how to edit my own videos. It sucks because my channel is not monetized. I'm not trying to monetize it. I've got no desire to monetize it. And those videos that are claimed for the copyright, they monetize that shit. Like, that's crazy. They won't monetize it for me because I'm just like a little bullshit YouTuber, but they'll monetize it for someone who claims that I'm using their copyright. So GoPro puts out this app, they give you the music, they tell you, hey, make videos, share them with your friends, use our app, make custom videos easy, and then they fuck you over for doing it. They charge you by putting royalties on your YouTube content. Just not very happy about that. I love this new swivel mount. I'm pretty sure I got both of them in the shot right now. So yeah, I guess also look for more of these videos here where I'm talking and running my mouth to create some audio for the video, because it's going to take a little bit of time to get the editing worked out. And I've been meaning to do this for a while. I guess I'm not entirely comfortable with the idea yet, but I'll get there. I got a lot of opinions. Everybody that knows me knows I'm very outspoken, and I'm sure I'll speak out on many subjects. I wonder how good the camera's getting. That beautiful shot of the city in the background. This bike path here is one of the best reasons to live in Bay Ridge. It's such a chill place. It's really, really nice. Like, look, I'm doing 32 miles an hour. That's real speedometer. That's a fixed speedometer on my Onyx. I'm just doing 32 miles an hour, cruising along. Like, nobody even turns their head. Nobody cares. The bikes are nice and quiet, and we cruise. Sasha's probably pushing his board for all he's got because he's got two fast bikes and he knows it. I knew that he was going to try and get me to let him use the Onyx and bring both bikes out, but it's such a hassle bringing both bikes out that I just was not down with it. So I'm taking the Onyx and giving him no choice. But I will mention to him that maybe this weekend he can come out and ride and stuff that's going on. We'll see. Alright, so I really just wanted to talk about how GoPro and YouTube screwed me over and they're monetizing my shit, and I'm not going to do that anymore. So enjoy that last video. That was an epic ride to the Bronx. I have another video from that night lined up that's going to go up probably tomorrow. That doesn't mean anything to you now because this video is going to go up after that. Alright, yo, peace out, y'all. I think I gotta turn the camera back on a little bit and give you a little Adiv wheelie action. Look at this motherfucker, goes right around the turn wheelie. He don't care. Love that side action on this camera now. You know, me and Adiv, we would go up this hill. But you can't do that on the skateboard. Look at that, the wheelie wheelie. That's them urethane wheels on the dirt patch. That's why he needs rubber. I knew they'd do wet pavement in the park. This is why I didn't bring the circuit out. Owl's Head Park, Bay Ridge's little jewel. It's actually a pretty nice park, and when we get to the top of this little hill thing here, the overlook that looks across the Narrows at Staten Island and at sunset, which it is around now, it's actually not a bad view. It kind of looks so pretty that you can forget you're looking at the place that we used to send our garbage before we filled it up and then started sending it to New Jersey. So there we go. Look at that view.
Yeah, my board is like went off-road.
All right, howdy.